How to set up the TP-Link CPE710 Outdoor. Now what you'll need is one or two CPE710 units depending on the setup, a PoE adapter, Ethernet cables, a PC or a laptop. Step 1. Mount the CPE710. Install the unit indoors on a pole or wall. It's important to keep a clear line of sight between devices. Mount it high enough to avoid trees and walls, and point the front directly towards the other CPE. Step 2. Connect the hardware. Connect the Ethernet cable from the CPE710 to the PoE port on injector. Connect another Ethernet cable from LAN port to your PC or router, and plug the PoE adapter into power. The LEDs should turn on. Step 3. Access the web interface. Go to your computer to the LAN side of the PoE adapter, open the browser, and go to this IP. The usual login is admin for the username and admin for the password. If the page doesn't open, set your PC IP manually to this. Step 4. Choose operating mode. Go to the quick setup and choose one. Access point sends Wi-Fi signal. Client receives Wi-Fi from another CPE. Bridge is the PTP/PTMP wireless bridge. Repeater extends existing wireless, and AP router creates routed wireless network. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.